Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is another exciting video because we are tackling hypoallergenic eyeliners. For years, I've been recommending eyeliners, liquid eyeliners, mascaras for sensitive eyes that are hypoallergenic, dermatology tested, and ophthalmologist approved products. So if you guys want to know what my recommendations are for hypoallergenic eyeliners, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so I have a playlist of all the other liquid eyeliners, pencil liners, mascaras. I think I have like 2 videos on those that are safe for sensitive eyes. So I know it's a problem for a lot of us where wearing makeup is just a bother because it hurts our eyes. So my goal has been to find you guys makeup products that won't irritate your eyes, that is safe for sensitive eyes. So today guys, I have 4 exciting new products. They are all liquid eyeliners, guys. They all say dermatology tested, ophthalmologist approved, safe for contact lens wearers, safe for sensitive eyes. So along those lines, these products have that in their description. And then at the end of this video, I will tell you which one is my 1 favorite, and I actually have it on right now. So you have to watch till the end to find that out. Let's start with Thrive Causemetics. You guys know this green packaging right here. So you guys know Thrive Causemetics, 100% vegan, cruelty-free makeup, and they have a lot of products that are going to be safe for sensitive eyes, that are safe for any skin type. They make good ingredients for their products. So this is called the Infinity Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner Pen. And the tip looks like this. It is $22, guys. I picked the brown color. This is their brown color in the color Ellie. I think it's Ellie. I will make sure to put it right here. But it looks like that. Very sharp tip. I love how sharp it is. I feel like this is a really good one. It's the perfect consistency. It's not very dry. It's not very wet formula, and I feel like it's so easy to use. The sharpness just allows you to have precision in making that perfect wing, and it has a good color payoff. So I've been really loving this. It comes in 8 colors. They have blues, they have the purples, they have the grays, they have greens, they have all the basic stuff. So I'm really loving that. And of course, the black and the brown. It is still advertised as smudge proof, budge proof. And I agree. I feel like I would rate this as 4 out of 5 when it comes to long wearing formula. It stays on, guys, unless you really get a good makeup remover and like rub it off. This is also allergy tested, approved by dermatologists and ophthalmologists for sensitive eyes. It's non-irritating. It's great for sensitive skin. This one is a good one. The next item that I tried is the Bareminerals Maximus liquid eyeliner. So it looks like this. Very fun, unique packaging. You guys know Bareminerals, again, clean beauty, vegan beauty. At least for this eyeliner, it is not cruelty free. The applicator is a tapered brush applicator. So that's what it looks like right there. As you can see, it's very black, the one that I got. This is ophthalmology tested, safe for sensitive eyes. It is considered waterproof, all day wear, smudge proof. Now, I have a problem with that because it is not waterproof, smudge proof at all. It's actually far from that. You know, as far as longevity, this is like 3 out of 5. Sometimes I feel like even 2 out of 5. It comes off so easily, although once it sets, it does set better than, you know, non-waterproof formulas, but still I feel like it's not as long wearing. So it could be better. It is a brush applicator, unlike the Thrive Causemetics, it's a felt tip applicator. This brush applicator is tapered, which allows for that precise tip at the end. Let me show you guys real quick. So it's very, very tiny. Look how sharp that tip is. This has a very wet formula. So wet that I'm almost afraid of it. You know, I feel like if I make a mistake, that's it. But it's wet, but it's a controlled application, if that makes sense. It's not messy at all, even though it's wet. But I love the applicator. On the formula though, it's a tad bit wet. But once it dries down, it's pretty good. I would say this is good at making bigger, thicker wings, as opposed to like very thin everyday wings. So I like my wings to be super thin, like, you know, very close to the lash line. This is $23, a little bit more expensive than the Thrive Causemetics. The only caveat to this Bareminerals is that there's only one color, so you only get black. So if you like wearing wing liners that are different colors, which sometimes I do prefer other colors like purple, blues, as opposed to black on my eyes, you know, that could be a problem, but this one only comes in black. Next item, guys, is the Makeup Forever Aqua Resist Color Ink. And this is what it looks like right here. I don't know if it's showing through, but the packaging is slightly like navy blue packaging. The packaging changes depending on the color, which is so fun. So they come in 8 different colors. They have pink, which is such a unique color aside from the normal blues, greens, navy blue, purple. Ooh, they have a striking chameleon, which is a duochrome blue violet. Wow, I want to try that for the summertime. They also have white, so very unique colors. Love the packaging. It's $26. I have the navy blue. I think it's called, yeah, Matte Midnight. So I have it in matte. And here's what the applicator looks like. Very sharp again. And yeah, there it is. I love it. The color payoff is great. It doesn't skip. It's very pigmented. This is a felt tip applicator. This is a 24-hour long-lasting eyeliner product. It is sweat proof, smudge proof, all that jazz. I would say this right here, guys, the Makeup Forever is the most long wearing out of the 4 that I have for you today. Thrive Causemetics and Makeup Forever are both very long wearing, but I would say this one beats it by just a little bit. It's hard to take this off, guys. You're gonna need a heavy duty makeup remover to really remove it because, guys, I did a wear test on all of these liners that I kept on my hands, and I'll tell you at the end of this video which one won the 24-hour long-lasting test. And what I love about this is the ease and control of use. This is a little bit drier than the Thrive Causemetics formula. When I first opened it up, I actually thought it was a little too dry, but surprisingly, whenever I draw my wing, it was always flawless. Very smooth application, just super easy. I think that if you are a beginner with wing liners, you should start with this one because it's so easy to use. It's hard to make a mistake, guys. And trust me, I have so many lines and crevices around my eyes, and this one will work around that very smoothly. So it was so easy for me to make a wing, and so I really love that. I like that it's dry. It's a dry formula, so I'm not like worried about like it accidentally smudging before it sets. 5 out of 5. It lasts forever, guys. Out of the 4 that I have, this one is the only one that said it's safe for contact lens wearers. It also says here that this is more for like the artist in you. So if you love to create dramatic makeup on your face, you like to draw stuff, I agree. Like you can easily draw a flower on your face or something with this, and it's going to be perfect. It's hard to make mistakes because the applicator is almost dry and yet not skippy. So I really love this. One of my faves out of the four. The last one, guys, I cannot go on without checking out Clinique. Clinique is known for its amazing formulas when it comes to makeup. I feel like they're the best for people with sensitive skin. If you have any sort of irritation, that they got you. They have great ingredients. Just like Bareminerals, actually. They're both good at making makeup that has good for you ingredients. This is called the Clinique High Impact Easy Liquid Eyeliner. This is a felt tip applicator. As you can see, I love the length of the tip. It's very sharp. I would say this has the sharpest tip among the four that I have for you today. It is fragrance free and it's also ophthalmologist tested. That's interesting to me. Who puts fragrance on their eyeliners? That's kind of weird. Let me try to smell. Hold on. I mean, it has a standard like marker, expo marker, permanent marker scent. Ooh, the Thrive Causemetics does not have any scent. It's interesting. This one has a little bit of like marker, expo marker scent to me. As far as long wearing, I would say it's 4 out of 5. It is ophthalmologist tested, safe for sensitive eyes. I would say that this is a little dry in application, which normally I wouldn't mind, but guys, the color kind of skips. If I'm going somewhere with my liner, I need it to be consistent until I'm done. When the eyeliner starts to skip, it just ruins the momentum, you know, and it makes it harder for you to create that perfect wing. So I wasn't happy with that. Although I love that it is long wearing, but I would have to say it's not as long wearing as the Thrive Causemetics or the Makeup Forever one. This only comes in 2 colors and it is $26. So kind of pricey. I got the black one right here, but I would have to say in person, it's not the darkest black I've ever seen. So that is all of my recommendations for liquid eyeliners that are safe for sensitive eyes. Now, for the moment of truth, which one is my favorite? My favorite is the Makeup Forever. First of all, long wearing. I need liquid eyeliners to stay put. I love the different color selection that it has. Packaging is on point. And of course, we all know all of the ingredients are good for you, safe for sensitive eyes, dermatology tested, all that stuff. It is the most expensive among the 4 that I have for you today. But well, Clinique was around 26 also. It just depends on where you get them. Different stores have different price points. I love this for beginners. Easy to use. You can be as precise as you'd like. As dry as the formula is, it's actually very pigmented. Out of the 4, the Makeup Forever one is the most long wearing. It was a day and a half of one. I took a shower, a day and a half of hand washing, constant hand washing. It just stayed put. It would not budge until I pulled out a makeup remover. That is it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If none of these items work for you, I do have other hypoallergenic, safe for sensitive eyes videos. I'll have the playlist in the description box below. I have them on mascaras, eye pencils, kohl pencils. I have them for liquid eyeliners, name it. Anything for the eyes, I have it. I was thinking of also doing like eyeshadows that are gonna be sensitive for the eyes. If you are interested, drop an eye emoji in the comments below and I'll try my best to do another review video on makeup that is safe for sensitive eyes. So with that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye.